Hi, Tony from Songwriters Chop Shop here. Are you tired of using end rhymes that turn your lyrics into nursery rhymes? Here are some things you can do that will make your lyrics sound like a song without needing to use end rhymes at all. Let's look at Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. See how many times he's repeated the I vowel sound? Repeating vowel sounds is like hiding rhymes in plain sight, then singing sweet songs. This is alliteration, the repetition of consonant sounds at the beginning of words. Alliteration links your lyrics closely. The whole section only uses a few vowel sounds, and this makes it easier to sing. Look at how many times the I vowel sound is used. So then when he does use an end rhyme, it has way more impact. Catch you next time.